It looked like somewhere on there was a boat too, but.
Oh yeah, there is. There's usually a few boats, yeah.
Just in case, yeah.
Not being in those waters.
Thanks, dude.
No worries, man. You gotta share when you This? Oh, yeah, edible steak and fish, yeah.
Having fun.
You guys having fun? Do you want to be recorded?
100%. Sorry?
You want to be okay?
Care.
Okay.
You got my consent, man.
Sorry. You guys excited for the fireworks?
100%.
Hell
Actually,
yeah.
my face out.
I think I heard a pop.
A pot?
No, I'm just hearing shit.
It was actually super early. I was not expecting to hear the fucking explosion so much sooner.
Same.
Looks like it.
It would be like Cleveland News would be here.
Lively,
Yeah, no, because they do a live stream online, and I think they do it from an airplane.
Imagine them
Or
doing
aircraft.
those videos, live leaks of people getting hit by fireworks. That just
Oh,
hits the hell.
yeah. I've seen those ones where it's like where I don't know if you've ever seen those videos where the fireworks go off into like where they go off where they start all the fireworks go off at once, and it just it just looks like
on the ground.
yeah.
It's like
Oh
a
my.
war zone.
Yeah.
Look at the moon.
Yeah, it looks pretty sick.
All smoky now. No clouds.
You can hardly see.
Well, there's fireworks happening in Millwoods too.
Oh, okay, different.
There's, I think,
Oh yeah, in the school fields.
Yep. Because they have one on at certain parts of the city, I guess. And then there's some in St. Albert and then Sherwood Park as well.
So there's a few different areas.
Yeah.
This is probably the biggest.
Yeah.
popular.
Yeah.
I honestly wonder how many people are here. Thousands.
Oh yeah, guaranteed. Well, maybe even tens of thousands. You never know. Because you're not even taking consideration on the other side because they
And up there and down there.
Fair point, because Edmonton's population is 3 million.
1.3. Because Calgary has a bigger population, I think.
I know that.
Speaking of which, when was the last time you were in Calgary?
Last time I was in Calgary was about a year ago.
Yeah.
That's because I was working for when I was taping.
What's the
Oh,
worst job you ever had?
mine's
Working
what?
at the keg.
The keg?
Yeah. Being a dishwasher, line cook, and dishwasher.
Oh,
Yeah, that's
dishwashing
probably-
must have been
it's just-
fucking...
You're just sweating all night. Literally sweating.
Being a line cook is easier than being a dishwasher because
Really? Oh, because you just have to keep up so much, or?
yeah,
I didn't. Well, and the keg is more
especially on
big, right?
Valentine's Day
Yeah.
and Saturday and Sunday are the most busiest.
Right. That makes sense, though, actually, yeah, because you got to keep up.
Are you from
You say
Alberta?
though, sorry, you said you're a taper for drywalling?
Yeah.
Then you're
Well,
probably an artist.
no.
Then.
The keg, roofing.
Yeah.
I quit roofing because the elemental environment.
Yeah, it's
I couldn't handle the fucking heat. Then I
You're a
moved
white
to
guy,
taping.
makes sense. You burned up right away in the sun.
Oh no, I was 3 years all year round.
Oh yeah, well, and it's hard work though too. Man.
Like-
it's physical all the time.
Make a new video. New video, Andy.
No, I can cut it out.
Make a new video.
Oh.
Oh shit.
Wow.
That's dope. Came from like in the middle of the explosion. That's dope.
Well, that one's pretty good.
People doing little ones on
Does your video have a time limit?
No. I'll send you.
Everyone's watching there though.
Yeah. Oh shit. Oh, this lasts a while.
At a time like this, I wish I knew my fireworks. That looks really cool.
Those ones.
It reminds me of like
Oh,
the,
shit.
reminds me of like the oil like, ring.
Those ones are good.
Make sure you get the. No. I have a time limit on my.
Alright. That plane's like just going over, like going around and around. perfect view. That was like perfect. When you went into it, just like the fireworks right behind you. No. If you want, I can take a picture while I'm taking the video.
Please do.
Okay. Do that thing again. Do that like what you just did. Alright. I'll send you those pictures.
Shockwave, man.
Dude, it's beautiful. If you get
Grand finale.
a nice day out, it's really cool to see, like,
Grand finale is actually the grand finale.
Yeah.
Oh.
This is the grand finale, guys.
This is the finale.
Yeah.
Yep.
Cheers.
Dude, man. Fuck, I hate black guys. This is one of those shit patches.
It's like that lucky 7, but it's stronger too. I think it's like 6.7.
And it's like you'll get a batch where it's like the best beer you've ever had.
Or the worst.
Yeah, it's either
Look
the
at all
best or
the
the
smoke.
worst. It's fucking-
Holy
Never in between.
Yeah.
You sure you don't want an edible?
I'm not big on edibles. It put me out, man.
I wonder if the guys that light it and have gas masks on.
Definitely.
Bro, they're just fucking in it. They're enjoying it.
They must be in like a. There must be like a little room that they have that they can set off the fireworks in there. But I'm not too sure. Holy shit! The bottle's almost done. Yeah.
I love that feeling. I don't even know which way to
direction is this is red? Once they unleash everything, that's the finale.
Oh.
Turn around. Once they do. This is it. Wait.
Oh.
Take a shot together.
Yeah.
Aim at the fireworks.
Awesome. Holy. Whoa. Oh.
Magic of Japan.
Oh, I know, right? Where they got like characters and stuff.
Oh yeah, those fireworks are super cool.
Dude, right? Boys, I feel raindrops. I might start heading out and we don't even see anything.
That's what it was done.
Oh shit. Yeah, I felt like
I have no change of clothes. It's fine.
Oh, that's
You gotta
nothing
play
compared to
stand
the
by.
huge boom.
Stand by now.
yeah.
Your phone could record that much time.
Yeah, imagine how long it's gonna actually take to post. That's the main problem.
How much money in fireworks? $100,000.
Big ones.
Wait.